I'm on a small hill at the side of Rannoch Moor, and it's on the way to Glencoe. And I made a promise to a family a little while ago now that I would do something, and this weekend I thought I would do it, and it involves this stuff, some Brasso. And I made a promise to a family a little while ago now that I would do something, and this weekend I thought I would do it, and it involves this stuff, some Brasso, and all will be revealed shortly. But it's also nice to get out for an overnighter, and basically now my feet have more or less recovered, and also try out my new boots, these Aku Pilgrims that I've had them for a few weeks now, and they've been great. So far they're really comfortable, not overly heavy, good tread, seems all good. So I'm going to have a bite to eat while these rain showers pass over the Black Mount, and hopefully the wind's going to die down a bit, and then we'll go over and I'll show you what this is all about. The memorial was built in memory of a young guy called Ronald Harvey, who was tragically killed at the age of 26 in a car accident. and he and his family spent a lot of time in Rannoch Moor, hiking and fishing, and they often cycled all the way up from Glasgow just to be here. And it was his father and his father's friend Joe who decided to build the cairn as a memorial for him when they scattered his ashes. I think that's about as good as I can get it, to be honest. Certainly a lot better. Well, my chicken tikka with rice was lovely, and I'm just finishing off a coffee and just watching the mountains, the clouds rolling over. The wind's died down now, which is good, and I'm hoping that it will clear up for later. I'm going to set my alarm for 3 o'clock in the morning and see if there's any stars out, maybe try some astro photography. But yeah, I'm just sitting here, just admiring the views. And many of you will probably be wondering why I done what I done with the plaque. Now, I'm not related to the family in any way. It was just after the story last year, and this young guy, sadly losing his life at such a young age, and a person that was into the outdoors like what we are, and I am. Quite sad, and I just thought it'd be a nice thing to do. Hope the family are happy with what I've done. I don't know why, I just had this urge to do it for some strange reason. Really no idea why. But nice to get a wild camp as well. Great to be up here. It's a long time since I've been in Glencoe with everything that's been going on, and also with working down south. And it's getting to that point where we're going to get snow here shortly, a month or two away. We'll soon be doing the winter wild camping. But yeah, what a place for a wild camp. Just back to warm up and have my dessert. This custard with apple. Certainly tastes like custard. And it's like little cubes of the apple. You've heard it before. It's very nice. Very, very nice. I'm going to have this in my coffee to warm up after doing a little bit of time-lapse stuff there. My God, it's cold. Have this, get everything kind of packed up, then I'll have a little bit of a chat with you before I hit the sack, and as I said, we'll see what happens later on tonight. We'll take it from there. I have set my alarm for 3 o'clock in the morning, but one of the things that I am struggling with is the mat. I'm using my X-Bed Winterlight, my Sea to Summit one. When I put it in my in the shed. I think I've damaged it because it's got a slow puncture. I need to sort it. And the issue I've got with this particular sleeping bag is it seems to slide badly on the sex bed. But again, I am kind of pitched on a bit of a slope. So it's going to be one of those nights where I'm going to be waking up every 5 minutes and try to shimmy back up to the top. It's 3 o'clock in the morning and all the stars are out. I did not sleep well at all. Really didn't. Yeah, I think I've seen every 15 minutes during the night. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to get with the camera, try some photography and see if I can get a shot or two of the Milky Way. Time to get packed up and head home. It's only 4:30 in the morning, but the cloud is starting to come in now and you can't see much of the stars. Yeah, not going to be much of a sunrise. And to be honest, I did not have a good night's sleep. Really struggled last night. So I think I'm going to head down the road, have a sleep when I get home, have a few hours kip, and that's it. Just call it a day at that. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this little trip. Yeah, me cleaning the plaque. So until the next time, take care.